According to the rule agreed by the management, no any batsman is allowed to play for 6 runs. Sushant is on strike. The new batsman, Sushant, is on strike and we are waiting for his performance. Now I am remembering the day. A great hero by his name. We have lost him, Sushant Singh Rajput. But he will also be a hero by his performance. Let us see what happened with him. Now Nathigraj is coming with ball. Oh. His bat couldn't touch the ball. Sushant was trying to touch the ball, but he was not on proper line. Now the next over is going on. A new bowler has come to ball. New batsman sit down. Oh, he pushed the ball in offside and has taken the run. Now he added one more run. Umpires are requested not to touch the ball. Let the ball go through him. Now the next bat. Oh, what a fantastic ball. No.
Not out, not out.
It could be more dangerous for Sushant, but he reached in the crease within short span, so he could save himself. Now the bowler is coming to ball. Sushant. Now he hit the ball. The fielder missed the ball, so Sushant took run and added one more run to the scoreboard of his team. Now again. Oh. It's no ball. Decision has been given.
No, 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 no.
Oh, again. What's happening? It's really dramatic in the ground. That everyone is trying to do the best from his side, but it's really very complicated situation for the batsman. He could not understand what to do in that situation when the decision was taken by the umpire. It was no ball. Now the bowler is coming to ball. Again, he bowled well. Actually, Sushant should go to proper line to touch the ball with his bat. Not understanding the length of the block. This is little bit inconsistent. Oh, he again touched the ball. He could not go out of the crease to take run. I think everyone should be more conscious to add more and more run to the scoreboard of his team. Let the ball come to Sushant. Again. Oh, he couldn't.
The ball is missed by the
Natik is the wicket keeper. He could not concentrate on the ball and started to do the things differently. So Sushant is available on the crease right now and going to face the ball again. He added 4 more runs to the scoreboard of his team. This is the first good and very nice performance from the side of Sushant as a batsman of his team. 12 run has been made. No ball. No ball. I think Natik Raj is trying to increase the speed of his ball by the application of his wrist. Now again he is coming to ball. Oh, it was slow delivery, so batsman couldn't touch the ball. Now the ball is coming to ball. Again he passed the ball, hit the ball, but ball has been fielded by the fielder. And now he could take only one run. Now again Natik coming, he's coming. Only according to rule, Sushant will have to go out of the ground. Sushant will have to go out of the ground because sixer is not allowed according to the rules of the management. Now we will see the performance of the next and new batsman.
Ano kan, sir? Look nyo mo.
Shahid is the new batsman. He will face the bowler. We can expect something from Sahil also. Again, he played well and to play. What a fantastic play by Sahil. Sahil is looking like real Sahil, and he played his game in proper and commendable way and took 4 more runs and added 4 more runs to the scoreboard of his team. It may be proved more and more has been to that particular team. Now again, Natik Raj is coming to ball to Sahil.
Our in charge is today's empire. Clap for the Jawahar sir.
Now Natik Raj is coming to ball. Sahil. Success in getting 4 runs, and he added almost 3 runs to the scoreboard of the team. Now, leg umpire is taking rest. Again, he is trying to take run and he took 1 more run. And decision has been taken by the umpire Jawahar sir. Decision has been taken. Shutdown will have to go out of the ground because he has been declared out by the umpire Jawahar sir. The new batsman is Chris. Chris will be the batsman to face the bowler